stop listening to the same old YouTube advice. In a world with millions of creators, post consistently and make great content is dangerously generic advice for 2025. It's not enough. The platform is smarter, and the algorithm has a new playbook it uses to find and explode small channels. It's not magic, and it's not luck. It's a repeatable three-step strategy that I'm about to break down for you right now, and it's the key to turning your small channel into a growth machine. The single biggest mistake small channels make is creating videos they think are cool, hoping an audience will magically appear. Let's be honest, YouTube, as an algorithm, doesn't care what you want to create. It only cares about what viewers want to watch, and more importantly, what problems they want solved. The entire system is obsessed with one thing: deep viewer satisfaction. So it's time to stop thinking niche and start thinking transformation. Don't just be another dance channel. Be the channel that takes a nervous two left feet beginner and transforms them into someone who can confidently walk into a dance social and enjoy their first salsa routine. That sharp, transformational focus makes it incredibly easy for the algorithm to identify and serve your video to the perfect audience. Before you even think about hitting record, you must be able to clearly answer two questions. Who is this specific person I'm making this for, and what specific problem am I solving for them in this video? If you can't answer that, the algorithm has no data, no direction, and no one to show your video to. You're essentially creating content for an audience of zero. You've identified a killer, problem-solving video idea, but your work has just begun. Now you have to sell it. And that happens with your title and thumbnail, what I call your irresistible package. Your video could be a life-changing masterpiece, but if the package is boring or unclear, your video is completely invisible. Your title needs to do one of three things: spark intense curiosity, promise a clear and desirable result, or create a sense of urgency. A title like "My New Studio Tour" is dead on arrival, but "How My $500 Setup Got Me 10,000 Subs." Now that's a click, because it promises a result. "How to Edit Faster" is okay, but "Edit Pro Videos in 15 Minutes" is a powerful promise. Next, your thumbnail has to grab attention on a busy phone screen in less than a second. We're talking big, bold text, 3 to 5 words maximum. Use bright, contrasting colors and a clean, high-emotion visual that teases the video's core promise. A picture of a person showing surprise, joy, or concern will almost always outperform a static object. And here's the best part: the guesswork is over. YouTube's own native test and compare tool is the game changer for 2025. It allows you to A/B test different thumbnails and even titles to see which one performs best with your audience. This used to be a secret weapon for giant creators, but it is now available to all channels that have advanced features enabled. Using this isn't just an option, it's how you prove to YouTube, with data, that your package is worth clicking in the first place. Getting the click is just the first step. Now, you have to deliver on the promise. The first 15 seconds of your video will make or break its success. You absolutely have to prove to the viewer that they made the right choice by hooking them immediately and confirming the value you promised in the title. A strong hook is what drives your audience retention sky high, and high retention is one of the most powerful positive signals you can send the algorithm. This is how you create the viral feedback loop. When viewers click, watch for a long time, and engage with a like or comment, they're sending a flood of positive data to the algorithm that screams, "People love this video." The algorithm then takes that data and tests your video with a bigger, similar audience. If they love it too, it pushes it even further. That is the exact moment a video starts to gain exponential momentum and go viral. To keep this loop spinning effectively, you need consistency in your topics. When you stick to a clear theme, you are literally training the algorithm on who your channel is for. And while tags are less critical now, a clear descriptive title and a well-written description are still essential context for YouTube. Seriously, don't sleep on YouTube Shorts either. Clipping compelling moments from your long-form videos into shorts is a killer strategy to get more reach and funnel brand new viewers right back to your main content, supercharging that feedback loop. And speaking of sending signals, if you're getting value from this strategy breakdown, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. It's a small click for you, but it tells YouTube you value this content, and it helps me help more creators just like you. Blowing up on YouTube in 2025 isn't about luck or some unknowable secret. It's a repeatable strategy. It's a three-step game plan. First, you must adopt the viewer-first mindset and build your content around solving a real problem for a specific person. Second, you have to build an irresistible package with a title and thumbnail that demand to be big. And third, you must hook your audience hard and keep them engaged to fuel that positive feedback loop that tells the algorithm to push your video to the world. Master these 3 areas, and I promise you'll go from feeling like you're shouting into the void to seeing real, predictable growth. You have what it takes to build something incredible.